Dance, beautiful people. Hi, everybody. Hello. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to my channel, Dance Beautiful People. I am your hostess. My name is Duns Stedler. All right, let's get started with this video. Now, this video, okay, I have not done a video like this before. This is my first time making a video like this. Okay, she is out here with her natural hair. Okay, this is another natural hair video for my natural hair sisters. All right, this style right here that you're looking at is called a Bantu knot. Yes, I am out here with my 6 head because she got a large forehead, y'all. You know, the larger the forehead, the bigger the brain. That's what she says. All right. So I'm so excited. I don't know how this hairstyle is going to look once I unraveled, okay, these Bantu knots. All right. Because my hair is pretty short right now. My Duns Beautiful People. My hair is pretty short. So the way it's supposed to look when I take them out, it's supposed to look like a loose curl. Okay, that's what we're going with. I have no idea how it's going to look like. Like I said, I did my hair and I'm just out here. I haven't, unraveled it. We'll see. Let me turn around, okay, so you could take a look and see how it looks like. All right. Okay. Oh my God, I'm so excited. All right, here goes. All right. That's how the back looks like. And I'm going to unravel one. See, this one is loose. So I'm going to show you. All right. So how it's done. I hope you guys could still see me. Can you see me? Can you all see me still? Yeah. Oh, I like this. I like this. Okay. So obviously I should have put more gel at the end of my hair, but I did not do that. But you're supposed to get the ends very nice and twisty. Okay, so basically you just take a section. I hope you guys could still hear me. Take a section and you separate them, and then you just twist. You just make sure you twist. See, as I'm twisting, I'm pulling this little piece so that I could get a good twist for y'all. Sometimes they don't stay put, you see? So I have to put like a little pin. See, this one had a pin. So I'm gonna probably put a pin there, okay? Take a stay. Let's try this again, come on. You twist, 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 twist. Twist. So let's try this, okay? And then I'm just gonna pin it down. All right, so hopefully we'll stay this time. Ta-da! Yay! So my brothers and sisters, like I always said to you, there is nothing natural about having natural hair, okay, about being natural. It's not just like you can just get up and run and go. You gotta do a lot of manipulation with your hair. But that being said, I'm very excited about this new hairdo. I can't wait to see how it turns out, I got my little edges, little swoop that I've been practicing. I'm very excited. So what I'm gonna do now is step away, unravel the whole thing, do my hair, and come back and show you guys how it looks like, okay? So yeah, this is a Bantu knot, So, just to let you know real quick, what I had done is that I washed my hair, conditioned it, I blow dried my hair, okay? I blow dried it first, and then I attempted to, do the sections by sections, all right? Okay, my Duns Beautiful People, see you in a few. We're going to see how she looks like, okay, how it turns out. All right. Like I said, I am going to try to do more natural videos this year. Actually, as a matter of fact, I'm no longer going to wear my wigs. Well, I'm going to try not to wear my wigs this whole 2022 and see how my hair will progress. Okay? Mwah. See you soon. I decided to just show you guys on camera how I am unraveling my hair, okay? So I'm using this. I don't know if you could see it. I'm using this oil, okay? I'm using this oil to unravel it with, okay? Can you all see? Okay. Let me move up a little bit. Okay? So I'm using this oil, okay, to unravel it. Let me come closer. Ah! It's hard to do it. I need an assistant. You know, start with the ends, okay? The ends are like the most fragile part. Okay? You see? You see how it's looking? I know it looks kind of messed up right now, but don't worry. I'm gonna fix it and it's gonna look good. All right? Okay? But you got the gist, right? You got the gist. Looks good, right? All right. We shall come back. This is the outcome. Woohoo! Let me turn around so y'all could see. The way I did it is with this comb. Okay, this comb, you just have to fluff it out with this comb. Okay, you just fluff it out. Okay, you just fluff it out. The comb. All right, and then of course my little coconut mist. You use that. Okay. You use that. All right, guys, I'm loving it. All right. Like I said, my goal this year is to wear less of my wigs and more of my natural hair. And also to make more natural hair videos for you, my Duns beautiful people, my natural Duns beautiful people, because in this channel we talk about what? Relationships, what? Natural hair, what? And end of life hospice care. Yeah, she is multi-dimensional, multi-talented. You see? You see? I love it. I love it. It's fluffy, bouncy. Ooh, yeah. Mwah. See you guys. Like, share, comment. See you in the next video. Dance, beautiful people. Mwah. Once again, I love you with the love of Jesus Christ. See you.